Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration. So I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video. So you can see this picture, you can see the plants and all looking very beautiful plants and all very beautiful looking, and you can see the water also very beautiful, and you can see the lights you can see, and the outside you can see the mirrors and all looking very beautiful, very attractive, also very good looking. It's also very look, the plants and the decoration, beautiful view, very good view and decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the water is coming outside of the lamp. You can see the lamp, the beautiful. And this is also very beautiful. You can see the swimming pool there, and the up you can see the decoration, beautiful decoration. And you can sit here with your friends, guests, or anyone, a family. Also you can see this one also very beautiful. It is the outside of the house looking very beautiful place, very attractive, very good looking also. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the up you can see the sun. You can see the roof, very beautiful, looking very cute, also very good. And you can see this one also very beautiful, the black color theme and all looking very beautiful, very good. And the outside view also very beautiful view. It's coming very beautiful view, coming and good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the plants, small plants also very beautiful. You can see the flowers and all. You can see outside also very beautiful, very good, very beautiful. And you can see the chairs in decoration, wood color decoration. You can see beautiful decoration, very beautiful decoration. And you can see this one also very nice. You can see the outside view, beautiful view. You can see this one also. You can see a movie, beautiful movie. You can see here projector is there, and the folderings are there. Beautiful place, beautiful things, good looking. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lamp and all looking very beautiful. You can see or no, it's beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all looking very beautiful, very good also. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the candles down and the plants, small plants, beautiful plants, good plants looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all beautiful looking. You can see the fire here, maybe fire or what, something. It is fire, I don't know. Looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can sit here with friends, families, and all, or get someone coming. You can sit with them. Beautiful decoration. It is a beautiful decoration. You can see the plants are there, small. This one is also very beautiful. The outside view also you can take, and very beautiful view and good looking. So if you guys like my video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. So I hope you like this video too much. You like this video too much, so you like this video, so thank you for watching and have a nice day. I love you all. So wait for the next video tomorrow.